guys, Rasam and Appam in the house. Today we are going to prepare Pidi Kolukattai or sweet South Indian lentil dumplings. These are usually made either during Ganesh Chaturthi or just raised as an offering for Lord Ganesha. So let's see how this healthy ingredients are put together and made into this lovely dish. So the ingredients for this dish are Now as you see, the dough has cooled down and now we are preparing them into these small little dumplings which are just put between your fingers and just pressed. You can do it at any desired shapes and sizes that you require. So guys, hope you all love this recipe. Do try it out since Ganpati is nearing and let me know your feedback and comments. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe on Instagram, Facebook and especially YouTube. Bye bye guys.